Well, California becomes the second state to allow voters to register through its DMV after Governor Jerry Brown signed the legislation Saturday. One America's Katie Seals has more on how the decision will affect the voting process.
The recently approved Motor Voter Act is meant to make registering to vote easier for Californians, but it could also open up voting to nearly 500,000 illegal immigrants. The bill automatically registers voters when they go to the DMV to get or renew a driver's license. It will go into effect at the beginning of 2016. Since 2013, California, the District of Columbia, and 10 other states have passed legislation to allow people who are in the U.S. illegally to be eligible for a driver's license. This means a licensed illegal immigrant could potentially enter the voting process if the government fails to verify their eligibility. Last month, the DMV announced that more than 500,000 driver's licenses have been issued to immigrants in the country illegally in the 10 months since the program began. That's less than a quarter of the estimated 2.4 million unauthorized immigrants who make up the state's population. Supporters say the bill was introduced in response to low voter turnout in last year's statewide election. Just 42% of registered voters cast ballots. But others say California's Democratic Party has an ulterior motive behind the bill. Studies suggest nearly half of the 6.6 million unregistered California residents lean toward the Democratic Party. Another controversial change to voter registration is the online system. 25 states plus the District of Columbia are now offering online voter registration. Computer security experts say the information voters use to log in to the system is publicly available, meaning non-citizens could easily register under the identity of a legal voter. And they say hackers could potentially change the information of large numbers of voters with a few simple lines of code. Katie Seals, One America News.